Hey Team Pineapples, my name is Melissa. Welcome to our first video of all of our videos for training. And I wanted to come on here because we actually just got a new website. I'm recording this as of August 2018, and we just got a new website that launched, so it's super, super exciting. But all of the previous videos that I've recorded are of our previous website. So today's video is going to be about logging in to your virtual office as well as just getting started in your virtual office. So I'm going to go ahead and share the screen. Okay. And we'll go over logging in. Okay, so first things first is if you joined prior to August 21st, you're going to see a message when you come to your virtual office. And if you haven't received the email with the new with the new URL, it is vo.colorstreet.com. That is the website that you're going to type in into the URL. When you come to this landing page, you're going to leave the user ID and password blank, and you're going to click on Reset Password if you had an account prior to August 21st. If you joined us after August 21st, then you're going to go ahead and just put in your stylus ID that you received via email and the password that you created when you first signed up. Okay, so if you are new, put in your user ID and password. If you are someone who was with us prior to August 21st, you're going to click on Reset Password. Once you reset your password, it's going to send you an email. You're going to click on a link and you're going to reset your password so that you can access your virtual office. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in. This is going to take me to my virtual office. Okay, and so the first thing that we're going to do, I'm going to move this little box. Don't know if it's going to move it for you, but it moves it for me. And up here at the right-hand corner, the first thing that I want you to do is I want you to click on View Profile. Okay, so on your name, you're going to click View Profile. Then what I want you to do, the very first thing I want you to do is I want you to click on Edit Profile Picture. Okay, and I want you to set a picture of you so that we, one, have a picture in our back office to see you, and two, when people go to your website, they'll be able to see your picture. So you want to be able to brand your website with your image, okay? So you'll choose a file from your computer. Just click on Choose File, and it will let you search for images on your own computer. Once you do that, you're going to click on Upload, okay? The next thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your address information is correct. If you want to store any credit cards on file, you can add a credit card to have on file. If you want to change your direct deposit information for your checking account for commission deposits, okay? All of that information is going to be here in your profile, okay? In your settings, where you go to change settings, your settings is going to have your email address and your website as well as your password. So if you need to change any of that information, you're going to do that under settings, okay? So this is your email, this is your website, and then down here is your password, and you'll see the edit button to the right. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you that if you are wanting to put a personalized website, you're going to click on Edit right here, and you're going to edit your website, okay? And it's going to let you change the / portion after colorstreet.com, and that's where people are going to go to shop with you. So mine is Painted Pineapple, but maybe you're going to put your name for yours, whatever you would like to do. It will let you know somebody's already using it. Just make sure you don't use the words Color Street or CS or Color or Street in your website name. Okay, once you put the information, you're going to click on Save Changes. Okay, so that's going to be step one of setting up your website. I want you to put in your profile picture. I want to make sure all your information is correct, and I want you to set up your website address. Those are the things that I want you to do with this video, okay? The last thing that I'm going to show you is once you get all of that set up, how you're going to access your website as a customer, okay? Not only will you access it as a customer, but when you give other people your address, they'll access it as a customer. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open up a new web page, and I'm going to type in my website. So colorstreet.com/painted pineapple, because you saw that was the address that I picked for myself. I'm gonna go ahead and press enter on my keyboard. And this brings me to my website so that I can start shopping. So you can see I can click on shop, I can click on join, host, application videos. This is your customer facing website. this is where you're going to shop, and this is where your customers are going to shop, okay? And once you're ready for people to join, that is when they are going to click on your join link, okay? So as long as you are in your own website, then that is how they will access your team, okay? So this is the website address that people are going to go to. They're going to type it in right here. So I'm going to do that again. Type it in. Okay? It's going to land them at your website page, and then they can click on join. Okay? And then they'll be able to click on become a stylist. You'll see right here, join now. Okay? So if you have any questions at all, please reach out to me. And I hope that video helped you guys. Okay?